notice any change in your breathing?
Yes, I have.
Because the point that you're massaging, large intestine 13, is a point that clears mucus from the chest.
So that's probably what's been going on because, yes, I was sick. So I was coughing up a lot of stuff. And so now, okay.
By chance, did you notice the color?
White. It was all like clear. And it was a lot though. It was just a lot of coming up. And I never really get that, but it was just so weird. I don't know if I had COVID or not or what was going on.
In Chinese medicine, that's a wind cold. And
wind
that's
cold, okay.
Really easy to take care of too.
You know, it's interesting you said that because I was thinking about cinnamon and we didn't have any, but I was just popping a bunch of garlic and it was clearing out. It cleared out like super quick. So garlic and ginger is what I was taking.